Today we'll talk about how can you ask teacher on your Qanda app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on menu down here. When you just click here on menu, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on ask teacher here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. There can you ask this teacher here. You just click on it. Then here open settings to enable your camera, and here can you scan or add your photo from your math exercise here to ask teacher on your Canada. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.